Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an amazing card flourish or a false cut or a false shuffle, whatever you say. You're just going to flourish the cards and it's going to be like very visual, very attractive, and it would look like that you're shuffling the cards. But in actual reality, you are going to start off with a uh, uh, take two. But in actual reality, you're going to start off with a particular order of cards, and after the shuffle, you are going to end up in the same order of cards. This is a flourish that I created, and I've also mentioned about this flourish a long time ago when I made that Ferris tutorial, because to do this flourish, you need to know how to do the Ferris move. And if you don't know how to do the Ferris move, make sure you go and check out the tutorial for the Ferris move. Link is given in the video description. And after that, you come over here, come back here and do this card flourish, because without knowing the Ferris move, it's going to be a little bit hard for you guys. But trust me, if you actually go through the entire tutorial, it's going to be very easy for you to do the false cut.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Lucas Martins. Follow him on Instagram, link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, you can see over here I have a joker on the top and the other joker on the bottom of the deck, and between these two jokers there are all the other cards. Okay, and I'm going to give this deck a shuffle just like this. Okay, it looks so beautiful if we shuffle just like this, and after that you can see that we still have that joker on the top and the other joker on the bottom of the deck. And let's see how you can do this false cut or this false card flourish, whatever you say. Let's get in the tutorial. Okay guys, here's the tutorial for this card flourish, and for doing this card flourish you need to know how to do the Ferris move, and it looks like this. Okay, and I've actually made a detailed tutorial on this move, and the link to that tutorial is given in the video description. Make sure you check that tutorial out, and after that you come over here to learn this flourish. So after you know the Ferris flourish, what you're going to do is you're just going to have this deck just like this. You're going to pick it up with your other hand with this grip, and then you're going to do a simple swing cut. Okay, just like this. You're going to do a simple swing cut, and after that you're going to do another swing cut, but this time you're not going to take the bottom packet entirely out. Okay, you're going to do this swing cut just like this, and as you do this swing cut, you're going to use your other hand's thumb just to press down over here. Okay, just like this. And then after that what you're going to do is you're going to pull this packet out from the center just like this, and you can do this by grabbing it with your thumb and your middle finger, or your thumb and your ring finger, and you're not just going to pull it out, you're also going to pull it upwards. Okay, you're going to pull it upwards as well as you're going to pull it sideways, so that will allow this packet to come out just like this and rotate just like this. Okay, and that is the thing that you want. So as the packet comes out up to this point, okay, then you can see that you are in this position, right, with the top packet here, the center packet here, and the bottom packet here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just flip the bottom packet over on this top thumb over here just like this, and after that you're going to stretch your thumb just like this. Okay, you're going to stretch your thumb, and you're going to just swing this packet on your thumb. Okay, you're just going to swivel this packet right over here around your thumb. You're just going to glide it, and then you are at this position. Okay, so you're going to start off over here, you're going to lift your thumb, you're going to swing it, and you're going to be ending up in this position. Okay, so it's like the Stuart Gordon double lift type of grip. Okay, and if you don't know how to do this Stuart Gordon double lift, link is also given in the video description. Don't forget to check that link out. Okay, now as you are in this position, you're just going to do it like this way, and then you're going to glide your thumb over here. Okay, so at this point you're holding this packet just like this. Okay, and as you're in this point, what you're going to do is you're going to push this packet inside, and at the same time you're going to just pull down all the other fingers just like this, so that these two packets come outside. Okay, just like this. So like this and like this. Now you can see that these cards will actually try to fall down because there's no grip, almost there's no grip, there's just the fingertips. And as you are in this position, you can also extend your index finger just like this. Okay, so after you go like this, you're going to extend your index finger just like this. Okay, and then you're going to grab this packet with your thumb over here, with your thumb and this area. So you're going to grab this packet just like this, and then you're going to move all the fingers out. Okay, and as you move all the fingers out, this packet will actually go to the bottom, and this is actually the bottom packet. And then we have the second packet, which we are actually going to put it over here. Okay, so what we are going to do is, after we have actually placed this packet over here and your index finger is over here, we are going to come over here with our thumb just like this, grab almost near at the tip over here, and we are going to use our index finger just to touch over here right now. And after that, we will take this packet out and do the flourish move. We're going to just flip this packet with our middle finger just like this, and we are going to turn it just like this with these two fingers. Okay, and we're also going to leave our thumb. And then as we do that, as we do this move, this will actually flip and come over here at the center. So from the top, it's going to come over here to the center, and then the second packet has gone to the center, the bottom packet has already gone to the bottom, and the top packet has actually returned to the top. And that's how you actually do this false cut. Now I'm going to show you everything in slow motion, and it should look like this. Okay, so you have the deck just like this. First swing cut, second swing cut, turn over, flip like this. The flourish move lands the second packet in the second position. Then you're going to use your other finger, this middle finger, to close it just like this. And then if you are actually in the straddle grip, if you press the deck just like this, then you can see that the cards have actually squared up on their own. Okay, so this is how this flourish is done, and this is also a false cut. You can use this for magic, you can use this for various kinds of displays, or you can use this to just to show off. Okay, so that was the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing false cut, or a card flourish, or a false card flourish, whatever it is. I hope you enjoyed this. And make sure you hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @shor_zari. And if you have any questions, don't forget to use the comment section for that. And also don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.